something is coming that is going to be able to do most of the shit that we do. How do we make sure that we're the ones doing it?
AI is a tricky one, so we have to be careful about how much we use it.
Some of the things that I'm seeing my team do, I'm like blown away by it.
Put it into ChatGPT and I said, hey, give me a different angle of this living room. You would not have been able to tell that I did that via ChatGPT.
I feel right now we're doing a disservice to our editors by switching to AI.
Unless you tell me like there's going to be a drone that can fly into space and go around everywhere without damaging the property.
A time where the pendulum starts to swing back and go, you know what? I think we need authentic photos. We need real shots of our work. Clients are always going to wonder, is that really their work or was that created in a computer?
Computers can edit as well as we do, and phones can take as good a photo as the best pro camera from 5 years ago. Where does that leave us?
How do we make sure that we have the technology serve us rather than replace us?